Hi friends, welcome to another DIY miniature kit vlog. This time it is a cuteBee box theater furniture. You need an LR44 battery for the light, a craft knife and glue. The kit has a stand, instruction box, and in the box you will have all the items required for assembling the kit. It has the plant, wood bases, LED light, the circuit, polymer clay cake which we need to cut, the lasers, the cloths, two adorable bunny, everything is there in this box. And the instruction box has steps with pictures, so it is easy to follow. The last 4 pages of the instruction book has the printables which will be required for the assembly. All the products which are required for the box has been given in the description. Please check our description. You can directly buy the items from the link. If the kit doesn't have a battery, we need to buy the LR44 cell battery. If you notice this kit is a 1:24 miniature size, so they are really small. I will recommend this kit for 16 plus years. Teens from 13 to 16 will be able to do it, but they will need lots and lots of patience. If you feel your kid have lots of patience, then go for it. You can buy them. It is a cute, adorable one. He really felt like a surgeon doing a microsurgery with all the tweezers. I was like playing like a doctor. I do feel like the kids will love this while assembling it. The miniature pieces are, there are no extra pieces, so be careful. Don't lose them, like lots of pieces. I just noticed that there are like only 1 or 2 extra beads. These beads are required for the coffee cups which we use for it, and these beads were rolling everywhere. But there are only 1 or 2 extra pieces, and for the other wooden pieces even there were no extra pieces, so we have to be very careful. And also while cutting the printables, please be careful. They are like really small, and cutting them you have to make sure that you're cutting on the edges and you don't cut the pages, then because there is no way you can replace it, you have to completely buy a new product. So I will say please make sure that when you are cutting, just take your time to cut the pages, cut the things. And this kit will definitely take a 4 to 5 hours or a day to complete. I was taking video, and I was actually filming, and I was doing this thing, so it took me some time, but I will say 4 to 5 hours. If you sit together, you should be able to complete the kit. And also use a proper glue, because it's all tiny pieces. So if you see, most of the time it was trying to stick in my hand or to the tweezer than to the real object. Some glues will leave marks, so I will say use a proper glue which doesn't leave mark and it is clear. I like the beacon glue, which is very good in that part. And okay, enough of all the problems which I faced, or difficulties I thought, rather than these are some small difficulties which I faced over working on it. Now let's skip to the good part. The kit was adorable. It just looked magnificent. It's like, with this miniature, I don't know how much beauty you can bring it to that kit. The printables had a glossy finish, so they looked so cool. The bookshelf, if you see here, it really looks like a bookshelf. The printables were so clear and adorable, and the light system worked well. The instructions were clear, so they were able to tell like exactly what we have to do in the next step, and it was with all the pictures we know exactly how the end product will look. All the wood parts were perfect. They were like well carved. If you see this miniature sets and other things, they looked like really cute, and I loved how the completed pieces looked. It's like, it's so beautiful. Right now it is there. I have kept it in as a decorative place things in at my home, but I feel this can be a perfect gift for your friends. Imagine the look on their face when they open the tin box with all the things cute setup done. I feel like this is a very cute gift. You can give it to your friends. You can assemble it actually, and you can give them as a gift to them. That's the thing from my side. What is your happy corner? What do you think? I love this coffee corner as my happy corner. There are other miniature kits by cuteBee also, which you can buy from our link. And if you like this video, like it, share it, comment, give your comments, give your thought process, what you wanted to see next from us. Do you like any, you have any miniature kit in your mind, please please ping us about it and we will try to do it. And we are planning to do more kits and more crafts. Please follow us, please share all these videos. Thanks friends, thanks for joining this video. Enjoy the rest of this video without any of thing me talking and just music. Listen to the musics. Bye bye.